What's going on there, folks? Earthmaster here checking in. It is January 8th, 2019, 3:15 p.m. here on the West Coast, and got a little earthquake coming in to the Mississippi region, right around Hollandale, Mississippi. A 3.7 earthquake at about 15 kilometers below the surface. You can see it right there on the earthquake 3D globe, that 3.7, which I will highlight so you guys can see what I'm talking about right there. And of course, that's interesting activity because they've been having a little bit of minor activity around the region there. Well, within the past couple weeks, they're also in Oklahoma there. That's the past week or so of earthquakes. But taking it down to the last 24 hours, you can see that 3.7 standing out alone. And by itself in that region, a lot of people feeling it. Of course, with this type of magnitude and that type of geological structure over there, their ground type, the rock type, that explains why the folks over there are feeling it. 3.7 over here in California, most likely not going to be felt. But you know, some people are kind of sensitive to that type of low magnitude earthquake. But anyway, so there it is on the map once again. It looks like it's just northwest of Hollandale, like I mentioned there. You can't really tell too much on this map here. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the reports here. You can see quite a few people reporting it right here. 5, 9 people, look like maybe 20-something people here feeling it. So interesting activity nonetheless. I'm not for sure what fault system that is on out there, but I do want to pop this thing into the Google Earth page here so we can get the exact coordinates. Actually, I do have the exact coordinates. I want to check out exactly where this is at and what it may be around here. Let me go ahead and paste that in here. We'll do a search on that real quick here. Okay, so maybe out in a dirt field, that's where they put the epicenter at for this 3.7 out there in Missouri. So no, I don't see any type of pumping operations out there that I'm aware of. Let's see here, just some general, just some houses and stuff like that, mostly farmland. And far as mountains go, let's see here. Interesting. But yeah, just kind of out there by itself. Not really any type of landmarks or anything to check it out with, or to you know, kind of maybe focus on to be the cause. But anyway, 15 kilometers below the surface. So something's going on down there. It's not a surface quake. It is a little deep down there. You know, like I said, almost 16 kilometers. And you know, you got the New Madrid fault system over there. Not saying that this is a precursor to anything big or a trigger to it, but you never know. Always good to be on guard, even out there, even out in Mississippi. I mean, Oklahoma, any place can have an earthquake, right? Colorado, Utah, it can happen anywhere. So just be prepared out there. Always have a backup plan, I guess. You know, I'm a little sick, folks. I'm under the weather. I should say the weather got the best of me this time. I've been sick for the past couple days now. Kind of a head cold. It is starting to go away, but it's still lingering pretty good in my throat. But I am taking some good medicine, and hopefully that will help out and get rid of this head cold that I have here. So anyway, folks, we'll do an update video a little bit later on the rest of the activity occurring around the globe. I did just want to point out that 3.7 that did strike out there in Mississippi, with quite a few folks feeling it. You know, just a minor earthquake, but they're known over there around the New Madrid fault system to have some major earthquakes there. It's happened back in the 1800s there. Pretty, you know, pretty large earthquakes, up around 7.5, possibly a little bit higher. So anyway, stay safe out there, folks, and we'll chat you guys a little bit later. Peace.